Julie, how are we going to do our experiment?
We are going to find out if the pendulum equation actually works, and we are going to actually put the data into the equation. So these are the mass that we are going to use to measure the periods. We are going to make the mass difference so we can find the relationship between period and mass. So we are going to use 20 gram mass to hang here and find the period.
Some of our vertical videos were lost in the process of making this video. Some trials will have all 3 videos, some won't. But keep in mind, we did perform 3 trials for every single variable in our experiments.
So we are going to measure it for 3 times, so let's go.
It's 4.38.
It's 4.38.
$4.10.
We are going to do 100 grams now.
4.26.
Now we are going to try 200 grams one, which is the heaviest.
4.16. For 3.66. Ooh, look at that pattern.
So we are going to make the length 3/4 and use the 100 mass.
Took, looks like 3/4 of the time. Missing that crazy.
So we are going to half the length.
3.10.
Finish it. Secrets? Someone.
Yeah, that's the thing. Right, so we decided to half the quarter just to see how fast the mass would travel. .08 and wow we.
Now we are going to make the angles different, so we are going to start the small one first.
Nice.
4.36. Looks close to the original measurement. Alright, so now we're going to go at a medium angle for this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 4.35. Can you believe it? So this is the pendulum equation. T over here represents the time period in which it takes for the pendulum or the mass attached to the string, in this case, to go from left to right, back and forth one whole time. Length in this equation represents the length of the string that the pendulum bob, or the mass that we're using right now, in this case, is attached to. Gravity, G, it's gravity, what do you think it was, huh? And now 2 pi, Julie, you can take over for this explanation.
So as it says here, this pi is in the equation because the object that attached to a string moves in a circular motion. So this is our pendulum equation, and from the experiment we found the mass and angle doesn't affect the period, so we are only going to measure the period of length.
Period here represents how long it takes for the pendulum to go back and forth once.
And this is what we actually measured. And now we are going to put this number into the equation and find out if the number is similar to this. So from this we can find it's kind of similar. Yeah.
Okay. So a conclusion that we can draw from it is that the reason why the data can look different here is just because of when we stop the pendulum. So thanks everyone for watching our video log on this project, our triple stacker packer vertical video log stacker packer. Yep. Julie and I will now go over everything that may have been left out or forgotten with a brief PowerPoint. Special thanks to DJ Yonker for giving us a chance to create this project. I hope my mic was didn't take the video too much.